Using Best Buy credit score online is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Best Buy credit score online. Well, the process is very simple. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. Now here I'm just going to search for Best Buy and I'll go to Best Buy's website, which should be bestbuy.com. Now here you have to select your country. After selecting the country, you simply have to select any of the product that you want to buy. Now, after selecting that product, you simply have to add that product into your cart. So currently, as you guys can see, I have one product into my cart. You just have to go to your cart and then you have to click on continue to checkout or click on checkout. Now, after going to the checkout, so I'm just going to click on continue as guest, but you have to, I would suggest you log into your account. Now here, what you have to do is you just simply have to, enter your address, and after entering the address, you have to add your payment method. And in the payment method, you have to select your payment method as debit/credit card, and then you have to put your credit card. And after putting the credit card details, the option comes up if you want to use your, points. So you just have to select that, and there you go. You will easily be able to select the amount of points you want to use, and that's how you can use your points online on Best Buy. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.